In this video, we're going to go through how to create a multi-offer campaign using CPV Lab. Here we can see we have a landing page, and this landing page has 3 different affiliates within the page. And a lot of affiliates are wondering, well, how do you track when you have 3 different offers within a single campaign? Well, in this video, we're going to go through exactly how you do that and make it as simple to understand as possible. Now, the first thing we need to do is we need to create a new campaign. I'm going to go ahead and click on the new campaign button up here on top, and we're going to go ahead and look for the multiple options campaign type. So here we're going to go and select this. And then we're going to create a campaign like we normally would. So I'm going to go ahead and just give this a basic campaign name, and then we'll continue from here. Keep in mind, I'm not going to go into detail with every metric here because I just want to make this as simple to understand as possible. So I'm just entering in the general information, and I'm going to leave most of this at default here. If you want more information, you can view another video, and I go into more detail on each setting with CPV Lab. Let's just add our traffic source, and then we're going to go to the landing pages area. Now here we need to add the landing page that we'd like to use. I'm going to go ahead and copy this URL here. I'll just paste this into the URL section, then give this lander a name. And then from here, we're going to go to the offers area. Now, what we need to do is add the first offer, and then we need to set the share percentage to 100%. We're going to leave this at 100%, and then we're going to add other offers we want to run. So I want to go ahead and add 2 more offers here. So let's just go ahead and add 2 here. And then we're going to go pick these offers, and we want to leave the share percentage here at 0. Right? Because we don't want to rotate these offers. We want these to be static offers. So let's go ahead and go to the save area. So I'm going to save the campaign, and then we'll go to the link and pixels area. So now we're going to go to the step 1, edit links from landing pages section here. And instead of rotating offers, what we want to do is we want to select the first offer that we have. So I'm going to select the finance survey, which is the first offer that I added to the campaign. I'm going to copy this, and then we're going to take it to our HTML. Now we need to paste the step 1 link into any element that we want to take the user to the offer page with. For example, if I want to take the user to the offer page, when they click this first button here, I need to make sure that the offer URL that is selected is going to go to the first offer here. Now, each offer is going to have a unique ID number, which I'll explain in just a second here. Let's go ahead and find the first button within the HTML first. The first button would be here. And what I'm going to do is paste the step 1 code here, or link, and then we're going to see that it has a unique ID number, which is 1001. This helps identify the offer. So now we have the first button says we need to do the next button. And once we find the next button, we're going to go to CPV Lab here. And let's go ahead and select the second offer, which is going to be the Indonesian offer. And then I'm going to go ahead and copy the URL, and we'll paste it into the second button here. And then we'll see that it has a unique ID number, which is 1002. So now we're going to do the final button. Let's go ahead and select the Saudi Arabia offer. And then we can go ahead and copy the step 1 link for this offer specifically, and then paste it into the third button's HTML here, which is the anchor tag. Now we have offer 1003. So this is pretty much ready to go. Our campaign is almost complete. All we have to do is find the closing body tag here and then paste in the step 2 code. I'm going to copy the step 2 code here, and then we'll paste it right above the closing body tag, and then save this page. I just need to save it within my FTP client. And now all we have to do is go ahead and copy the campaign URL. Let's go ahead and take a look at our page. Now, if we look at the bottom left-hand corner here, we can see that we have offer ID 1001 here, offer ID 1002 here, and offer ID 1003 here. So each button has a unique offer here. And now our campaign is ready to go.